Right, so this is number 8 from the assignment that you guys did on Monday. And it's on Canvas. I think it's 1.9. Okay. Or 110. It might be 110. Okay. You guys found the 5th term, right? Remember, this is the first term, so that's a to the 1. This is the second term, so that's a sub 2. A sub 3, A sub 4, A sub 5. Remember that A sub is really A to the N, and so that N is the term, right? So here's 0th term, 1st term, 2nd term, 3rd term, 4th term, 5th term. And so the first term is 1, the second term is 10, the third is 100, the 4th term is 1,000, and then you guys said 10,000 was the 5th term. And so the first difference is the growth, the consistent growth that's occurring from term to term. And you guys all agree that it's times 10, right? Times 10, times 10, times 10. And you guys kind of all agreed to that, right? Okay, if you're going to plot, what am I, 1, 1, that's like right here. 2, 10, by the way, this is 100, so that's why it's like still down low. 3, 100. 4 is 1,000. And this is like, I don't know, way up high. All right, you wouldn't connect the dots, but if I was to connect them, you kind of have a graph that looks like this. This is what an exponential function looks like. We haven't done this in here, so it's what we do after this. Okay, so an exponential function, if it's a growth, it shoots up. If it's a decay, it shoots down. So you don't know it yet. We haven't gone over it, but this is an exponential function. Okay, it kind of flatlines in the beginning. It has a slow growth, and all of a sudden it just like shoots up drastically. Okay, and obviously you can see by the numbers 1, 10, 100, 1,000. Right, the growth is now really, really occurring, and all of a sudden now it's 10,000. Okay, the whole point of this is, yes, you should be able to find the next term. You should be able to find the common difference. In this case, you're multiplying by 10. You should be able to put it in a table. You should be able to graph it, right? Get all your visuals. But of course, the main thing is you should be able to write a rule. So you should be able to write your recursive and explicit rule. Okay. So let me stop the video here, and then I'll set it up down below, and then I'll record again. Are you guys okay with me stopping it right here? Because you guys know it clears out, but then it'll come back up.